How to unsubscribe from emails on Outlook app. First of all, you're going to want to go to the email where you want to actually unsubscribe from. So that might be in the other section. That's where they tend to end up. So I'm going to use the example of Morning Brew here. So what you want to do is you want to click on any of them. It doesn't really matter which one you click on. But once you've clicked on the email of the email provider that sent you the email that you don't want to see anymore, all you want to do is scroll all the way down on the email. For some of them, it might ask you to click read more. You have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of that until you see a button. It should be right at the bottom there where it says unsubscribe. Then here, then a link. Then it will send you to a web browser link such as this, and all you'll need to do on there is try and find the unsubscribe button. Click on that. For this version it's in the middle. It might be slightly different depending on what email you're trying to unsubscribe from, and then you should see it might ask you for verification, etc. Once you've done that, then it's finished. So leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.